Welcome. In front of me I have MIBRO Watch Lite 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. Unpairing could be useful if, for example, you want to pair your watch with another device, or maybe you want to give the watch to somebody or sell it to somebody, and you want to disconnect it from your account. Okay, so to unpair the watch, open the MIBRO Fit application on the phone that is paired with your watch. In the app, you should see this page. Now tap on the device icon right here. On the device page, tap on the settings icon right here, and then scroll down and tap on delete the device. Then tap on confirm, and the watch will disappear from the device page. You can close the app and go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone. And here check if the watch is right here on the list of paired devices. As you can see, it's not, but if it was here, you can tap on the settings or info icon next to it, tap on forget or remove the device, and once it disappears from this list, you can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.